Hey y'all, Lois with Ellie Grace's Attic here. I am back live today, 2 lives in one day. I know. Excuse the hair, just got back from the gym, but it's all good. I'm back with not a craft, but it's equally important. This has to do with coffee, okay? We're gonna, bless you, Finn, the fur baby is in the house, making his presence known as he does on every live that I have ever done. But this has to do with coffee. We're gonna make a new coffee creamer. A while back I showed you guys how to make a dry coffee creamer, which is really great. I still use in my coffee every day. I swear he knows when I do lives. Do you hear him? He is in there knocking stuff off the coffee table and all the things, because I don't know how he knows, but every time he causes a ruckus when I start a live. So anyway, everybody knows you're here, Finn. So let's get down to it. Anyway, I made a dry coffee creamer that you guys loved, and I also made a sweet Italian cream coffee creamer, a liquid coffee creamer, and you guys love that as well. We love it here. That's the coffee creamer we use all the time. I make it. I always have 3 cups of it in this big old mason jar in my fridge. But today I wanted to try something different. My husband and I found this torani bourbon caramel coffee syrup. And we're gonna just add that to the same base and see how it turns out. It's cold today in North Alabama. It's gonna get colder as the week progresses, and so it's perfect time to try a new coffee creamer. I'm pretty excited about it. So let's get to it. The base, this is super simple, I promise, super simple. We're gonna start with some good old-fashioned milk. Okay, I drink 2% milk, but you can use your milk of choice. I prefer cow's milk. I'm sure you can try it with almond milk or whatever milk you normally would put in your coffee. So into this, my mason jar is 3 cups. Just use a big one. It's because you're going to put 2 cups of milk in it, so it has to be more than that. 3 cups or larger, I would say your container has to be, or you can put it in a pitcher. So we're going to do 1, I got to count, even though it's only 2 cups, 2, I'll put that in first. Luckily I'm by the sink, so I'm just set that in the sink, lid on. So 2 cups of milk in our jar. Move this out of the way. And then the key, and let me just say, don't judge me, this is not a low-fat recipe, okay? Now, if you want to get the condensed milk that is low-fat, you can, but I get the sweetened condensed milk. This is the store brand because, like the Mississippi Queen, I am fancy like that. So we're going to dump in the condensed milk straight into our jar. Just get you a little spatula like I'm doing, or a spoon, and ease it on down there. Now, let me just say this, that once you get this made, it only takes a little bit to really take your coffee to the next level, okay, to make it delicious. It's going to get a little messy. Get all the condensed milk in there. Don't waste a single drop, because condensed milk, I mean, it's that good. Like, I'm gonna get this little piece too. Like, we're not wasting any of that. And like, for real, don't waste any. And if you have some left in the can, like, you gotta do this, right? So anyway, once you get that in, okay, you can see it's going to sink to the bottom. We're going to add in a teaspoon of vanilla, okay? I eyeball it, but it's basically a teaspoon or more. but a teaspoon to start. And then we're gonna add in our bourbon caramel. Now, if you were making the sweet Italian cream coffee creamer, instead of this, you would put in almond extract, or we use the Torani almond syrup. But you're gonna put in 2 tablespoons of this stuff. Or 3. Just eyeball it. But at least 2. Okay, so 2 cups of milk, 1 can, this is 14 ounces, 1 can of sweetened condensed milk, 1 teaspoon or more of vanilla, and 2 tablespoons or more of bourbon caramel Torani syrup. Now let me just throw in, you can get smaller versions of this at Walmart. You can get the small or the bigger versions on Amazon. I have ordered them from Amazon, but they're a little more expensive. I'm gonna give you a life hack, okay? This is not a sponsorship or anything like that, just I love TJ Maxx, and you can get these. I paid $7.49 for this big bottle at TJ Maxx, okay? Now, you gotta, when you see it at TJ Maxx, buy it, because it might not be there the next time you come, but this is where I got this, okay? And every time I go into TJ Maxx, I go straight back to the little food section and I check out the coffee syrups. So, there you go. So now that we've got all of our ingredients in our jar, I'm just taking a spatula and I'm just gonna stir. You can use a whisk, but it's not necessary. Stir, stir, stir till it gets mixed and you it blends, okay? You won't be able to see that condensed milk down at the bottom anymore. Once you blend it this first time, it's good. You don't have to mix it or shake it every time, or at least I don't. So once you get it good and mixed, you get that out, and then of course you get to, ooh, it's good. It's really good. Bourbon caramel. I'm putting on my spout. I'm totally making a pot of coffee here soon. Get this in. I got this spout on Amazon. I'll put the link in the comments below, but that's it. Less than 5 minutes. You've got some bourbon caramel coffee syrup. I keep this in the fridge. It is good for our house. This will last about a week and a half, 2 weeks, depending on if we make an afternoon pot of coffee or not. And the way that I use it now, you could pour it directly into your coffee cup and stir it and drink it like that. I like to take it and pour a little bit into my little coffee, I call it my coffee pitcher. You could pour it into a separate cup, and then I take my frother and I froth it up really good and get all the good bubbles in there, and then I pour that foam on top of my coffee. It will change your life. If you're a coffee lover, it will step up your coffee game and you will be thanking me later. So anyway, I hope you try out this super easy recipe, bourbon caramel for the win. If it tastes as good as it did off the spatula in my coffee, yes and amen. So anyway, I hope you have an afternoon cup of coffee and get some crafting done. Love you guys. Mwah.